Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to the studio. I've just been preparing these last little finishing touches, putting these little hooks on these mini little abstracts. I'm calling them my French landscape inspiration paintings. And these are going, I'm taking them now in a minute to a gallery in a small town here. It's an exhibition of artists putting all these little tiny 10cm square canvases. I can't wait to see them all. Apparently they do it every year and I've never heard of it, so you have to apply. I applied and luckily I got in, and I'm taking them now. I'm just going to do some photographs and then I'm going to box them up. Easy peasy to box up. Easy peasy to transport. Gosh, I'm really excited to. It's this lovely little town. And did I say he's called Carlisle? Little walled town. I'm going to take you for a little visit, and you can visit a little bit of here in the south of France. Yeah, I've enjoyed them, although I do feel freer with my bigger paintings. So anyway, we'll take them along. Come with me and enjoy the visit. So what's really great about these little 10 by 10 centimetre, look how tiny they are, is that they will all fit in a little box rather than the big 1 metre by 1 metre canvases that I've been recently working on. So easy peasy. You see, I've set up here because I did some photographs using once again my fantastic roll of paper. So easy, they're all going in. I've put my name on the back. So I'm going to put them face to face pack. How easy that is. I love it. I did actually do 11 because I bought 10 little canvases, and then I found another one, so I thought, oh, I might as well work on it at the same time. If I don't want it, they don't want it. They did ask for a little bit of blurb about me, so I've written that. Will it fit in? Maybe not. So anyway, put that separate. And off we go. So off we go, heading to our neighbouring department, what they call here the departments. We are in Haute-Garonne, and the gallery, the town where we go, in the village, in fact, Carlisle, is in Ariège. So here, beautiful view of the Pyrenees Mountains in the distance there. And here we are, arriving in Carlisle. It is this walled village. We are going to head down the bottom perimeter. You can see how high up it is. We're going to go all around the wall and then come back up again to go into the village. And the first thing we see is this amazing house with these beautiful blue shutters, which is owned by an artist. And I'm going to take you in a minute to show some of his paintings that he did in the village church. Really amazing. There's a view of the Pyrenees. I think there's actually some snow up there. Heading to the gallery. So everybody's just taking the work at this time, so nothing on the walls yet. You can see this cute, really old stone building, and a little wander through the village, another gallery there. The village is actually known as an artist village, village d'artistes. Here, just walking past the museum of Pierre, who the village is named after. There are quite a few artisanal shops as well as galleries, quite a few galleries here. And I had to head back to the town hall, his town hall, because I had to go and pick up the keys to be able to get into the church. So I headed off into the local mairie to get the keys, and then headed back a different way. Found a different way to head back to the church. The scenic route. You'll see in a minute. We pass through this archway to this magnificent view, again of the Pyrenees from the high up on the wall. There's a lake in the distance. We go down to the lake after, a little wander. You can see how high up we are. And there's a nice little bookshop that also does nice cups of tea. And here I am with the key going to open up the church. Come on in. Wow. So these amazing paintings done by the artist whose house we were in front of before, same colour shutters as here. His name is Tristan Ra, and he was allowed to do these paintings in the church, which I find really amazing. His paintings are very much of this style. This is not him. I don't think that's him. I'm sorry, I don't know who did those. But I met him when I went the second time, which we'll see later, to look at the exhibition. I met him, I bumped into him, and he said they were putting new stained glass windows in the church. So I'll have to have another visit back to see those. Thank you to my friend for filming that day. And we do, of course, stop off for a nice cup of tea. So take two. This is another day where I headed back to the gallery to see the exhibition. The open night was a bit of a weird one because there was no electricity and everything was in the dark. So everyone was looking at the exhibition with the lights from their phones, so it was impossible to film. So here we go into the exhibition of these I think there was about 150 or maybe even 200 artists who worked on this scale of 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres, and everybody did about 10-ish paintings or creations. They're not all paintings. There's my ones that I took, remember, in my little box. Yeah, there was ceramics and even little sculptures, tiles as well, drawings, all different mediums. Really, really lovely. And really impressive to see. Look at them all lined up like this. It's amazing. If you get a chance, and it's on until the end of January, if you're in the area, if you're in the region, it's worth a visit. That's the Galerie du Philosophe Carlebail. Of course, all these little paintings are for sale. So I came out of the exhibition and had a little wander around, found all these little streets full of surprises, like these little paintings and sculptures. And this looks like a really, really old house. And all routes head to the wall, of course, and a beautiful sunset. I hope you get to see the view of the Pyrenees. I hope it's a good picture on screen. And as we're in the holiday season now, not long to go before the year is over, I thought I would show you a little bit of my other day out in the Christmas market in Toulouse, where you'll see lots of festive delights, wonderful colour, a different kind of art. So hope you enjoy these little treats. So yeah, ending with some Christmas cheer from me in the south of France to you wherever you are. I was amazed at how people can watch this from all corners of the planet, and do let me know where you're watching from in the comments. That'd be really good fun. You know, in this little arty community, how many people we can touch, inspire, reach. It's great. So I wish you happy holidays and a creative, inspired new year. Hope you've got lots of inspiration waiting to burst out. I know I have. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays. Bonne fête. Bye bye. Au revoir.